Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today is January 22nd, 2025, and we're diving deep into the GBPUSD market. Recent news indicates a positive shift in risk sentiment, with the US dollar weakening slightly, which could favor the GBPUSD pair. However, some analysts remain cautious, pointing to downside risks. Let's look at the daily chart for GBPUSD. We observe a recent price increase, suggesting potential bullish momentum. However, there's some consolidation. Notice the significant increase in volume during recent price movements, indicating strong conviction behind these moves. This suggests that the market is reacting to both news and technical factors. Zooming in on the last 2 weeks of data, we see some consolidation and a few higher lows. This might suggest a bullish trend is continuing, but the low volume indicates a possible lack of strong conviction in recent days. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart to gain a more granular view. Here, we see a series of higher highs and higher lows, indicating an upward trend. The volume on the hourly chart generally mirrors the daily pattern, with higher volume accompanying significant price changes. This suggests that the market is influenced by short-term trading activity as well. However, we need to examine support and resistance levels more carefully. In the shorter time frame, it's easy to observe near-term support and resistance levels that cause temporary reversals. These short-term reversals don't necessarily negate the overall bullish trend. Let's examine the 15-minute chart to analyze price action in even shorter intervals. The 15-minute chart can show a higher frequency of fluctuations caused by quick news reactions or profit-taking. The range is relatively tight, suggesting some indecision among traders. Combining all three time frames, the overall picture remains cautiously bullish. The daily chart shows a trend, the hourly chart confirms it, but the 15-minute chart shows short-term volatility. Therefore, traders should consider the bigger picture, which is a continued upward trend. Key support levels to watch for on the daily chart are around 1.23 and 1.22. These levels held in the past, and breaking below them would signal a significant change in momentum. Resistance is at 1.25, and breaking above that would suggest continued strength in the GBPUSD pair. On the hourly chart, support lies in the range of 1.235 to 1.24, while resistance is close to 1.25 to 1.255. A breakout above the resistance would be a strong bullish signal on this time frame, but a drop below support may indicate short-term profit-taking. In summary, the GBPUSD pair shows a potential bullish trend. The likelihood of the price reaching 1.25 in the short term is high if the price breaks above 1.245 on the daily chart and 1.25 on the hourly chart. Conversely, a continued drop in volume along with a fall below the support levels indicated could signal a bearish trend. It's crucial to monitor volume, especially on the daily chart, as it offers significant clues about the strength and conviction of price movements. We also need to pay attention to any significant news events, such as economic data releases or political developments, as these can heavily influence GBPUSD movements.